Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem code in Delta Force Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To redeem a code in Delta Force Mobile, start by opening the game on your device. On the main screen, tap the Events tab located at the top right corner. A side menu will appear. Scroll down and select the Others tab on the left. Scroll once more until you find Redemption Center and tap it. A small Go button will appear. Tap Go to enter the actual Redemption Center. Here, you'll see a text field where you can enter your gift code. Type or paste the code exactly as you received it and tap Redeem. There's also a browser-based redemption site for Delta Force Mobile, but using the in-game Redemption Center is the quickest, most reliable method. After the code is accepted, return to the game's home screen and tap the mail icon at the top. Your reward will be waiting in your inbox. Simply open the message and hit Claim to add the items to your account. That's all it takes. You've successfully redeemed a code in Delta Force Mobile and collected your rewards. So that's basically how you can redeem code in Delta Force Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.